So basically, what happens, you got a sample space of 1, so anything that happens has a probability of being a decimal unless it's assured to happen, which would be, in which case it would be 1. So for this, you have to use the multiplication rule, which is where the probability of two events coinciding with each other, I rolled the die twice, which means, first even or second odd, and second odd, probability of both happening is 1/4, right? Because there are 3 evens and 3 odds, and I'm rolling twice. Probability of getting an even on the first is 1/2, because 3 are even, 3 are odd. The probability of second odd is 1/2 because, again, 3 evens, 3 odds, it's 1/2, and there are no conditions. They're independent and everything, but we'll get to that later. So the probability of either of them happening is the probability added together. But since these are independent, you have to subtract the probability of both happening. So 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1/2, but minus 1/4 equals 3/4. So that's the probability of either happening. So probability of getting a second odd, given that the first is even, is 1/2, which that's the same thing as probability of first even. So, and if you notice pattern here, that means that they are independent events, because that is not affected by anything, Mutually exclusive event would be if I rolled an odd number on the first roll and an even number on the first roll, because the first roll can only happen once, and these two events cannot happen at the same time.